Good morning, people. We are now shooting round to the bungalow. I've been summoned. I wasn't going to go round there today because I've got other bits and pieces to do. But just got a phone call to take some rubbish bags round there. They pulled the kitchen ceiling down and all the insulation's on the floor. So it's like a bit of a mess. All the plumbing's out now. My son said, bring the camera around, you might want to film it. It's a bit of a mess at the moment. So we want to catch the rough before the smooth. We want to see what sort of state, what sort of mess it's in. And then a couple of weeks time at the end of the week, we'll see how good it's looking. So now the ceiling's got to be boarded out and plastered, but everything's going to be plastered anyway. So let's shoot around. It's only around the block from me. Apparently they've got a lot of insulation, old insulation in this bag up. So let's get some this little gap. See what I mean? Jesus. Oh, fuck that. Alright, we're at the bungalow. It's a bit fucking foggy this morning. Oh my lordy. Oh, see what I mean? Alright, I'll cheers, mate. So.
What's this? Delivery.
Your first bill. Alright, Frank? Oh, Phil? Is that Phil? No. Oh, okay, I thought it was... Fucking hell. Right, we're back in the bungalow here. Frankie boy.
How you going?
This is the one that's making all the mess.
Yeah, alright everyone. How it work is.
Let's check it out. It's like this, look. But it'll be cleared later. It'll be all gone today. Right, ceiling down. All the copper pipe gone. Insulation, the whole loft's been cleared out. But hopefully once this is all clear, start doing some proper decent work, start looking good. Rip the sink out, there's a little leak there, but that's all got to come up now, be gunned up and refreshed and that. So looks like the copper's been put in the ground with no lagging on it. So they'll put gum that up, put something around it to protect it and put a tap here for plastering and that, and get the sink, get the toilet working again. And it's getting there. Right, I'm going up and get those other bags then.
Yeah.
If I got them. Right, piles of insulation. Right, shoot back, get some other bags. You'll be surprised how much insulation is up in the loft. It looks like they decided to take the whole lot out now and start from scratch, which is the best option then. Your plumber's got a clear run then, and then the electrician have a clear run. And that's my brother-in-law Frankie boy there on his own with my two sons helping out, doing a little bit. So yeah, it looks alright, I'll stay. I think they're best off doing it on their own at the moment. I'll keep out of it. They've got their masks and gloves on and that, so yeah, I'll keep out of that one for a little while, I think. Let them get on with it. Once that's all clear, then we can start getting to the electrics and the plumbing going in, and then the substitution walls going up, and then we're laughing. But that's the messy bit, but it's best to get that out of the way, I think. Start from scratch, nice clean slate, get some nice clean insulation upstairs in the loft. Be much, much better then. They're doing a good job. Foggy Saturday morning. Good luck to someone, that's what I say. I'll pop back, see I've got some bags, mate. I'll see you in a minute, ta-da. This is what you want. These bags off Amazon. This will cheer them up, people. A couple of these big bags. I've only got two, I had about 5 I bought off Amazon. Well handy. But they'll put loads of insulation in these. That'll keep them up a bit. What do you want, boys?
Oh, there we go.
Only two though, I don't know where the others are gone.
No,
But no, they're quite big to open up.
Oh, yeah.
Bye, wave. Good luck, I've got to do my gate. I'll leave them to it. Get out of here, do my gate now, go and have a cup of tea. Right, that's that bit done. A little quick visit. I might pop back later and see how I got on. Now, I'll shoot back home and finish my job off. Do my gate that I'm doing. Hopefully I'll have that done this morning. It's not the best weather today, it's bloody awful out. It's foggy, which makes everything damp and awful. Yeah, a bit peed off on this bag. I think they call them ton bags. Some brother-in-law said, I don't know what they're called, but I bought them off Amazon. pack of 5, they're pretty good. Great for doing your garden and stuff, you just fill them up with grass and that. But I had one in my shed, one in his mum's garage. That's all we've got 2, that'll do, don't you? Fill them right up high and drag them out then. Quite handy, they are. Go back home and do my little job, fit the gate. I'm not sure I'm going to video that or not, I might do. I'll just have a cup of tea and crack on with it. Anyway, if I don't see you before, speak to you before, I wish you, say goodbye now. Okay, ta-da. Thank you. Oh, God. Nightmare. We're back at the bungalow, day 2, Sunday, just to check up what's going on. All the insulation's gone down the skip, or bagged up on the lawn. Let's have a quick tour. So I'll spin the camera around, have a little look. Right. There we go. All clear now. Door frame for the toilet's out, door frame for the bedroom, that's going to be the lounge come kitchen diners extension. Ceiling's down here, all the insulation's gone. The loft's lovely and clear now, ready for the plumber, put the boiler up in the loft. Everything's cleared out now. All in all, it's looking good. They've done a good job. So next week, I think we're going to aim to get this porch down. I'll show you the video when we do that. We'll smash this porch. Let me just show you. So next week, we aim to get this porch removed, smash this out. Cut the timbers off, smash the windows up, down on the floor. Hopefully the floor's not too solid. And get the breaker out, and I'll do a little video doing all this. So that's it, people. That's the latest update. Oh, and the wall's taken out here. It's been removed now. So the door is going in here for the new bedroom. And I said before, it's being blocked out, this one. Okay, see you again. Catch you later. Bye-bye.